I wish to make a brief statement concerning an application or notices that we received here in Nyanjwa Police Station and the Kisii Police Station concerning notification to all the demonstrations within Kisii town. The first notification that we received was on 15th this month, which was brought by an organization called Kisii Governance Watch. They were intending to hold the demonstration on 19th, from 19th for 3 weeks consecutively. But that is, the application was within the statutory 3 days that one can make an application to hold a meeting or any demonstration. They were granted by the two OCSs, both from Nyanjwa and Kisii Police Station. Another group is the ODM party, which brought their notification of intention to hold a peaceful demonstration again from 19 for 2 weeks. So according to section 5, subsection 4 of our Public Order Act, 2 meetings cannot take place at the same time or at the same place. So they were denied on that premise. So upon analyzing both applications and due to security concerns, we have decided to cancel the first application from the Kisii Governance Watch, so that we concentrate, so that the both protesters cannot harm each other, or so that they cannot antagonize each other. So both demonstrations from the ODM and the Kisii Governance Watch stands cancelled from now. And any kind of demonstration that will take place will be treated as illegal demonstration. So that's the message that I wanted to